Hey everyone, you're Tesla Tom and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about all things Tesla, electric vehicles and renewable energy. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. Please take a moment to hit that red subscribe button. That way you stay informed of any new content and it also helps my channel to grow. Today we're going to review the Moshi iVisor AG screen protector for Tesla Model 3. We're going to do that and much more right after this. As I'm unboxing this very well-wrapped package from Australia Post, I just want to thank Matt from Techiton Technology for sending me this Moshi screen protector for our Tesla Model 3 to review. Matt and his brother Chris run Techiton, a Sydney-based business. And apart from selling the Moshi screen protector, they sell a whole host of phone, tablet and laptop accessories, as well as equipment for sound, robotics and other gadgets. And they also offer free delivery Australia-wide. Techiton have also generously offered a 10% off coupon code, which I'll place up here on the screen as well as in the description below. This coupon code applies to the screen protector as well as everything else on the Techiton website. Check them out at techiton.com.au, and of course I will leave a link to the Moshi screen protector in the description below. Okay, so we've got the Moshi iVisor AG anti-glare screen protector with a 10-year warranty for Tesla Model 3. Simple 100% bubble-free installation guaranteed. Reduces fingerprints and smudging. Easy glide surface treatment for better touchscreen maneuverability. Can be washed and reapplied repeatedly. Matte version. Instructions on the back. Use the included microfiber cloth to clean your screen so it's dry and dust-free. Do not use any cleaning solvents except pure water. Peel off the iVisor's backside film. Align and gently place iVisor on your screen. Apply pressure to iVisor's border to secure in place. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, so use the included microfiber cloth to wipe any fingerprint smears or smudges. There's the cloth. Okay, let's go to screen clean mode. Okay, go. Alright, let's reveal what's inside. Ooh. Peel back off this way. Ooh, fancy. It's not really sticky as such, but it'll stick to the screen, I'm sure. Nice little Moshi logo there. Okay, let's line this up line to line. If you make a mistake, it does come off again like that, so it's not a big deal. Okay, so being the perfectionist that I am, try and line this up perfectly. There we go. Oops, sorry. and you can still zoom in and out like that. Pretty responsive still. Yeah, no problems at all. Very good. So as I was saying, you can peel it on and off as many times as you like without affecting the quality of the product, and have a look at how much glare the film actually reduces. That's going to be really handy when I'm filming the screen. So if you're a perfectionist like me, you could spend hours adjusting it until you're satisfied. The general principle is that the black border of the film has to match the black border of the screen.
Okay.
Go.
Let's see there. Can you see them? I can see them. Can you see them?
Yeah, we can see them. Okay, so this is by far and away my favorite feature of the Moshi screen protector. The fact that it takes away pretty much all fingerprints from the screen. And those of you who know me well will know that I really don't like fingerprints on screens. Whether it be a phone or a tablet or a computer, Model 3, television, you name it, I don't like fingerprints on screens. If I see a fingerprint, I'm compelled to find a microfiber cloth to wipe it off straight away. So having this screen protector on our Model 3 guarding against fingerprints makes me really happy. Alright, so here's a little glare test. This is the screen with the protector off. As you can see, there is some glare from the trees and the daylight shining onto the screen. Of course, that presents a potential safety issue if you can't see the map or the functionality of the car. From my point of view, of course, filming videos for YouTube, not so good for the viewer if there's reflection and glare onto the screen. Okay, so this is the second test with the protector on. As you can see, it's a much nicer image without the glare of the trees and the daylight onto the screen. The visibility of the screen is much improved. You can see the functionality of the car as well as the map itself. That is indeed Disneyland Anaheim, one of Joy's favourite places on Earth. And you can argue that it's a much safer driving experience because you can now see the whole screen without the glare. And of course, filming videos for YouTube, much better if you can see the screen clearly as the viewer. Okay, so this is a side-by-side comparison. The screen off on the left and the screen on the right. There's hardly any glare on the right, if any at all, versus the left-hand side. Even accounting for how close the camera is to the screen, I would say that the words are just as sharp with the protector on as it is off. The only criticism I would draw is that the black color or shades on the screen with the protector on aren't as dark and well-defined as the blacks without the screen protector on. Again, just a very minor criticism. So in summary, the Moshi screen protector for Tesla Model 3 is available at Teketon, a Sydney-based business. At the time of this video, it's $69.90. We have a coupon code which gives you 10% off store-wide, including the screen protector. There is free shipping Australia-wide. As you've seen, the screen protector reduces glare, reduces fingerprints, and is scratch-proof. Easy to apply and reapply over and over again to satisfy your OCD, and can also be washed. Full details of this product, including the coupon code, can be found in the description below. Alright, well everyone, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, and of course, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, do you already have a screen protector for your Tesla Model 3? If not, will you be buying one after watching this video? Leave a comment below. Alright everyone, stay safe, and until next time, happy charging.